What up guys, welcome back to Man with the 4runner, and this time I am back with another 6th gen mod, but this time I'm over here at the Tint Lab because it's time to tint the 6th gen 4runner. We're going 5% all the way around, 50% on the windshield. I bring all my trucks here. I had my 5th gen 4runner here, I had my 4th gen Tacoma here, I even have my daily driver, my Scion TC here. So Patrick is the owner of this shop. He's tinted all my cars. He does such a great job, and we're gonna check out his shop and get the 6th gen tinted today. But before we go in, this is his 5th gen 4runner. It is on 35s. Of course, he's got the tint. So he is one of the community, has the same passion. I see him over at the shows all the time. Usually catch him at like the rodeo shows and stuff. Here's this G-Wagon he just did. Pretty sure that's a G-Wagon. Very clean. And then this is a shop out in Chino. Let me give a quick example of the different tint that he offers. So Mason, go ahead and hold your hand in front of the, that's clear glass. It's hot, huh? Yeah? Now this is tinted, just regular tint. Is that still hot, Mace? Yeah. Yeah? All right, this is the good stuff. Is that hot?
A little bit.
Well, if you put your hand, well, hover your hand right here. If it's a lot less hot, right? That's because it's controlling 95% of the heat. It's not coming out. Is that one hot?
No.
Hot, right?
Feels good.
Feels good?
Yeah.
All right. And there you go. Heat through the glass feels good to a 7-year-old, but if you're anything like me in your 30s and you're out there off-roading doing whatever it is you're doing, we don't like heat. So with that, ceramic tint is the way to go. Check it out. Here we go, guys. Man, they did it quick. All right, so now they're at the point where they're gonna come out, do some final touches, clean up the windows, but already, look how dark that is. That's crazy. 5% tint all the way around. Came out so clean. Windshield at 50%. Back quarter panel windows, looking good. All right, I don't know if you guys can see the difference on camera, but it is nice and dark in here again. And it's like not too bad right now. You know, during the day it's never that bad. At night, obviously it's super dark, but this is perfect. All right guys, and there you go. Window officially tinted on the 6th gen. Big shout out to Tint Lab. Thank you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you, Patrick from Tint Lab. Dude, you're awesome, and every single time you knock it out of the park. These guys are quick. They already got more cars in there, so they're on to the next one. If you guys like them, make sure to check them out on Instagram. I'll leave their links to their website, Instagram, all that good stuff. It'll all be in the comments below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and always thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next mod for the 6th generation 4Runner. Let's go.